Okay, so let's pick back up where we stopped in the last video. Now we want to solve for x, and we have to remember our inverse operations. 25% or 0.25 2500ths is being multiplied by the difference of x and 68,000. So if we want to eventually isolate this x, we need to do the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So we want to divide both sides by 25% or 2500ths. It will cancel here, and then we will be left with 16,074. So 16,074 equals x minus 68,000. And then to get x by itself, on one side of the equal sign, we need to add 68,000 to both sides. And this will give us our the family's adjusted gross income total. Cancels here, and x equals, what is $84,074. And this is our final answer. I've recorded another video with another problem related to the income tax problem. You will see this problem again on your test, your first test, and it will also be on your final exam. So you cannot look at this problem enough. The more you view it, the more you work through it, hopefully the more you will understand it. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday, where we can discuss section 6.10. Have a great weekend.